What's up, my people? So, man, last night, 1 in the morning, I made this video right here that you can see on my channel. This is my channel right here. And the freaking microphone was off. Wow, I don't even know how I have 26 views. If the whole video is just silence. Oh man. So the settings on my Zoom meeting here, they were different for some freaking reason. So my mic was off. So I am redoing that video right now. So yeah, we're gonna go over everything we went over yesterday, which I was telling y'all that a week ago, as you can see on this video, Bitcoin is on the way to 100K, bull run activated. That video, I went over why I believe that we're about to hit a bull run on Bitcoin. We had just broken this trend. I'll show you the charts at the end, towards the end of this video. We're gonna go over some news and then I'll show you the charts and give you updates on the prices. I'm gonna try to go pretty quick on the video, try to make it 15-20 minutes long. But yeah, so let's get that rolling. But go and check out this video. It's around an hour long, but it has a lot of good info. Other than Bitcoin, I gave you predictions on some of these projects, which I will show you the update on that now. At the end of the video, it's gonna be too lit. All right, so yeah, without further ado, let's go to the first part of the news, Bitcoin news. So on this one, it's not really a news that we've hit a crazy high of 55,000. But what I wanted to show you was that meme coins are back at it again. Baby Shiba Inu. So there is a baby Shiba Inu coin apparently, and it it rose 1,000% in 24 hours after one. This is what it says here. One reason for the sudden burst could be Elon Musk's new Shiba Inu puppy, which he has been tweeting about this week. Crazy. Are you serious? So I don't know who's in this project, but might want to be looking at taking profits here pretty soon. So yeah, 1,000%. That's 10x on your money. Whatever you would have put, would have 10x. So if you would have put 1,000, that would have been 10,000 in 24 hours that it rallied. So that is that part of the news, which I thought was pretty cool. Wall Street could get 4 Bitcoin future ETFs by end of month. So this is the other part of the news that I shared yesterday, but it was talking about how there is a fund that already opened for investors that is kind of the closest thing you will get to an ETF at the moment. But they were saying that a real ETF was not far away. So right now they have until October 18, 19, and 25th and November 1st to go in and see if it's going to get approved. So the odds right now are really good. Everybody pretty much is in favor of approving this because it's just major money for everybody's pockets. So yeah, investors want it. You have to give them what they want, right? And it is going to be crazy if they get approved futures backed ETFs. It is going to be crazy. So Bitcoin mining, New York and Texas are winning the war to attract Bitcoin miners. What? That is too lit. So I myself live in Texas, as some of y'all might know from seeing the channel before, but that is freaking cool to know. These are the statistics, all right? So within the US, 19.9% of Bitcoin's hash rate is in New York, 18.7% in Kentucky, 17.3% in Georgia, and Texas accounts for 14%, according to Foundry USA. So they say this is another thing that I found here. Check this out. Texas poised to be a world leader in Bitcoin and blockchain. What? So they say we're gonna be in position to be some of the leading communities in the marketplace blockchain and the whole industry in general, because you know there's DeFi in there, there's all of these NFTs coming out now. So Texas is real smart to be one of the first states to really jump in and back it up. So Ted Cruz, John Cornyn, Senator Cynthia Lummis, and they were all speaking at the first Texas Blockchain Summit. So that is crazy. This is the first ever Texas Blockchain Summit. So the first ever reunion of minds to talk about the future of digital currencies and blockchain technology inside of their state and how it could benefit. That is major, 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 major. Check this out too, though. Texas Governor Greg Abbott has met with the Texas Blockchain Council twice already. Recently, Abbott commented on Twitter that Texas will be the crypto leader. Cryptocurrency is now coming to Texas grocery stores. What? Crazy. So you should check that out. But yeah, now we're going to go over to the charts and we're going to see an update on Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, and everything else that we went over a week ago. UBX, XYO, of course, as y'all can see on the title. And we're gonna show you what we see coming next. So we're gonna start here with UBX. UBX, man, look at that. So yesterday, whenever I did the other video, I showed that on the Telegram, I had posted a picture when we were right here on the Telegram, and an hour later, it had shot up. It is doing a retracement right now, very, very healthy for the market. That is how the market moves. And if you did not get to catch it around this area, I would definitely suggest that you start looking for some consolidation around this area, and you could get some entries. Any price from 0005 to 0006 is support. So it will be retesting that breakout area if tops, and I definitely see it going back up and breaking through that 0008 and ultimately breaking that 001. So it is looking real good, real good in my point of view. Yeah, you might want to just keep an eye on UBX. Harmony. So Harmony, it is just killing it. So right now, totally dominating in the sphere as one of the ones that is pumping right now and giving out some amazing gains. So this right here, whenever we came all the way down, we definitely were telling people that we had found a floor on our Telegram. And I'll show you the Telegram in a bit now that I keep mentioning it. But I'll open it up in a bit after I finish going through these. But you could find it on, I'll post a link on it too. But yeah, anyways, so it is just going crazy, guys, crazy. We hit a floor at 5 cents, 6 cents. We just kept kissing it after we had broken out and ultimately broke through the first level, went through the second level, and has just been going beautifully parabolic since October 6th. So we are on the 10th right now. It just keeps breaking through these higher highs, 25 cents. So we'll see what Harmony is able to do in the next couple of weeks. Next week on Friday, Saturday, I'll do an update again and see where we ended up. The next area for me personally on this one will be the 37 to 40 cent range, and we might see a dip retesting these this channel that keeps growing from there, making this the support after we have completely broken out of that. So we'll see how it ends up looking like in a week, but I definitely see something like that playing out. So nothing but gains, nothing but gains. We are so freaking not done yet. 60 cents after we hit the 30-cent range. I will definitely see a double on it. So if you get 100% return from there, 60-cent level. We'll see what ends up happening with that. Let's see which one is next. Chainlink. All right, so Chainlink, it is just looking beautifully. Yesterday, we said that I was expecting a breakout out of this area to just keep on going up, we definitely could retest this zone one more time. But anywhere from the $20 to the $25 area is a steal. We are gonna go to $50 again. That's already 100% returns on your investment. And then we're gonna break that higher high, and we're gonna go to $70. And then we're probably gonna just keep on freaking rallying and break 100, and it's gonna be insane. Everybody's just gonna be like, what? Chainlink at over $100, but we would already seen it coming. So yeah, Chainlink at 100. We'll see what ends up happening in the next couple of weeks, because as I've been saying, last quarter, and we are finally here. So let's see what happens in this next couple of months. Ethereum, all right, so Ethereum, man, beautiful. I think it's gonna be more profitable than Bitcoin on this rally, and that's what a lot of people are thinking as well. People that are smarter than me. All right, so always gotta see who you are listening to. And again, I'm not a financial advisor in any way. And do your own due diligence. You know the rest. So I'm also doing my research, and a lot of these great minds are coming together and seeing that as far as payouts, you might see a double to triple on Bitcoin. But right now, as far as Ethereum goes, we could definitely see a let's say 3, 6, 6, 7x on your investment. And this is not like whoa, but at the same time, this is the silver. Bitcoin is the gold. So just keep that in mind. With that being said, breaking over 4,500, we will be going to the next zone at around 6,000, and breaking out of 6,000, we have to just, keep on making higher highs. But definitely 44 to 6,000 is a psychological zone. We'll see how it reacts to it as far as the market goes. Bitcoin USD, dangerous. So Bitcoin USD, this was Plan B's target. So again, I talked about Plan B on that on another video that I did a week ago, a couple of days ago. You can see it on the channel. It is Bitcoin to 100K. Plan B hits 1 million subs. A lot of good stuff on there too. So yeah, Bitcoin. Whenever we put it on the 4-hour chart, there we go. All right, so whenever we put it on the 4-hour chart, we made the video here. The first one, when I said that it had broken out, it was the 1st of October, and we had just came out and just bam. So I made the video. We ended up closing here. We just went sideways for a little bit. Bam, next level, little bit sideways. I said we could retest from there before we went higher, or we could just keep on going parabolic, which we just freaking did. Parabolic movement. Now we've gone sideways. Now we're retesting this trend higher high setting. So if this manages to break through that setting, we could then see that retest before we keep going higher. But let me erase it. But we could definitely just keep going from here. Either way, either scenario, I see it going to Plan B's target, 63,000. But I see this happening in the next that'll be a week, in the next 7 days or so. So 7 days to 10 days is what I kind of see happening here as far as the 4-hour candles go, filling up the chart. So if that ends up happening, then that would be way before the end of the month. We're barely on the 10th. We still have 20 days to go. I don't think that well, he said it would close around their worst case scenario, but I think we will definitely be breaking out way before then. So that's a bold statement, but the way that Bitcoin has been moving, Taproot is on its way here. A bunch of bullish news. This thing is gonna freaking go above 63,000, 64,000, and it's gonna be crazy. So again, 88,000, my target, 98,000, Plan B's target, 130,000 or so my target, and 134,000 or so Plan B's target, and everything looks very bullish. So that is Bitcoin. Next, ADA. All right, so ADA, we are looking at this, and we said that we were seeing where it was going to go whenever we did the video, and it was here. So none of that was there. It was just this. And I said we could break out of that trend, or we could keep going lower to these levels down here. And that is exactly what happened. We went lower to that area. We did not go to this area at $1.70. We managed to break back up at $1.90. So once that happened, we broke finally out of this channel. Now that we are outside of this channel, we've made higher lows here, very casual higher lows, but you can see them. So I am expecting ADA to just keep on climbing from there. So very bullish on ADA as far as a macro scale long-term position goes. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. And if I want to give my own targets, it would be $4, and you would be looking at, I think, easy. I have to go higher on the time frames. You have to think 7. This bull run, 7 to 8, because $10, I think it could definitely happen, definitely, but I would see it going crazy around these levels. Oh man, we'll see. Definitely taking some profits once I see some divergent moves, and I will definitely make a video about it. But I'm really bullish on ADA. This is just short term. On a 5-year scale, next wave, I definitely think 2024 we will hit a man, $20 to $50 ADA easily. So that's what I see on a longer scale, and yeah, holding ADA bullish. XYO. So XYO, another great project. This is the one that we talked about on that Bitcoin is on the way to 100K, bull run activated, and we were here. Me and my boy Rafa were on that Webby, on that live, and I told him that we possibly just break out of there and just keep going higher. He said he saw it going below 2 pennies again. I told him that it could definitely happen. I agreed with him on that aspect, and then we could break back up from there. We managed to go all the way back to the floor price of Coinbase, and it was 0.022, but just for a quick kiss on there, 0.023, and then look what happened next. Look at that daily. Wow, a lot of volume there, a lot of volume. So it is looking very good. Man, I was a little aggressive on the last video. Whenever I was going over this, I was thinking about it. I was like, man, I think I was a little aggressive there, man. My bad. I felt bad for the viewers, because I was like, man, you're stupid if you don't invest right here. And yeah, I was like, man, that was kind of mean. So I apologize for that. But yeah, I was very bullish on this project. Still very bullish. And I was just stacking the whole time that it was making these lows. I did not catch that low, but I definitely invested this whole time frame here. So now we are about to see what XYO is made of, and breaking through this high, I think will be no problem. we're gonna be on our way to 30 cents, 50-cent scenario, and that is gonna be crazy, 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 crazy. Because as a lot of people know, we were on XYO whenever it was at 0.005. I think that's 0.03005 is where we were able to catch our first entries, and now we're at 0.003. So that's already a 10x on our money. Very, very excited. Very, very excited what is about to happen next. Once we hit 30 cents, that's already 100x return. It's gonna be insane. So don't sleep on the sauce, guys. Don't sleep on the sauce. There is a lot of golden information that we go over. And what else is next? We went over UBX. All right, VChain gang. All right, so VChain, I believe, is ready as well to break out. First wave was liquidated perfectly. Came back for the retest, went way lower than I expected, and we managed to come back up again and retest this trend line. Lost my train of thought there. All right, so we retested that trend line. We could definitely go lower here to 0.08 region, but ultimately we're gonna break through that 20-cent range, and we are just gonna fly from there. Easily double it. So if you go and double 100% return on that, you're looking at 50 cent to 75-cent range. I'm just going and keeping it chilling. But as y'all can see, I already have the targets there. I'm just going to keeping it chilling, but we could fly. Anything is possible. But yeah, you gotta be ready to take some returns off of the table because it's gonna be crazy. All right, so VTHO as well. We're at 0.009. We're gonna go and break above a penny real soon again, and then we're off to the races. And I believe a 5 cent to 10 cent is a definite possibility on this coin, which is VChain's gas VTHO. So yeah, that's right there, a 10x on your investment, and we'll see how that plays out on that one. And last but definitely not least, XRP. So XRP, I think, man, everybody knows that XRP is just in timeout because the SEC is being freaking idiots. So since they are over there being dumb, they got XRP on timeout. But we really know what's about to pop off, and that is we're going all the way up. We're hitting $10 like we always knew we were, since we started covering XRP at 20 cents. Man, 2017. Let's go back to 2017. Man, wow, $1. We wanted to hit $1. Wow, crazy. So now we're at $1.13, and now we wanted to hit $10. We'll see how it goes. XRP Army, don't give up. I gave up for a quick second, and I regretted it, but not too much because I moved the asset around, and I got some really good returns. Harmony is killing it. I moved a lot of that into Harmony, and it is just paying out really nice. But I definitely got back into XRP whenever we hit a low over here at around 50, 55, 60 cents. Man, this peak and this bottom stacked. Ah, beautiful. Blessings. Made a video right here as well, and it's just blessings. So yeah, It is about to get crazy, guys. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own diligence. Da 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 da. You know the rest. But let's help each other out. Let's grow this community. I've never said this, but I'm gonna start saying this. Like and subscribe if you got some nuggets from the video, and that way we can make this video, this community a little bit bigger. And yeah, all right. With that being said, let's get this paper. Check you on the next one.